Hi everybody, for today's focus I am going to compare my brand new O-Cedar Spin Mop to my Shark Steam Mop. So I've had some conversations with my viewers in the comment section and on Patreon about mopping and testing out various mopping systems. So the first one I'd like to test is the O-Cedar Spin Mop. So this is the newer one. I know it's kind of hard to see. I'll put a picture up over here. This is the newer one that has a separate section for the dirty water and the clean water. And I'm going to compare that to my Shark Steam Mop. I'll be using clean mop heads on both of the mops, and I'm just going to use water for this test. I will do some bacteria testing just like I do when I'm testing out a chemical disinfectant. And I'll conduct a bacteria test before and after cleaning on the floor using my Petri dishes and sterile swabs. Using the O-Cedar mop seems pretty straightforward. I'm just going to use water. But in order to use the sanitizing function on my Shark Steam Mop, I have to follow the manufacturer's guidelines. And I'm going to start with a clean pad. I'm going to pump the steam mop. But in order to activate the sanitizing function in this, I have to mop for 3 minutes. That's when the unit's ready to be used as sanitized. Then I need to use the forward and backward motion over the area I want to sanitize at least 15 times. So using the Shark Steam Mop to sanitize is going to take a lot longer than using the O-Cedar mop just to clean. But the O-Cedar mop does say that they can remove 99.9% of bacteria. So we'll see which one cleans my bathroom floor better. Now for some results. Let's start with the O-Cedar Spin Mop. Okay, so for sample 1 from the O-Cedar Spin Mop, in the before section we can see tons of bacteria, and there's lots of different types of bacteria also in that sample, which is always good to see. In the after section, there are very few colonies. There's less than a dozen bacterial colonies there. So I think that the O-Cedar Spin Mop, with using just water, does a fantastic job at disinfecting my bathroom floor. Sample 2 from the O-Cedar, again, we're seeing plenty of bacteria in the before section, lots of different types. And in the after section, we have about 4 bacterial colonies here. A very, very, very small amount of bacteria in the after. So that is absolutely excellent results. The O-Cedar did a fantastic, excellent, wonderful job at disinfecting my bathroom floor. On to the Shark Steam Mop. So the first sample, so we can see in the before, lots of bacteria, plenty of bacteria again, very similar to the O-Cedar, which is great because that sample was taken at the same time that I took the O-Cedar samples. And in the after section, I counted almost 30 bacterial colonies on the after section. So that was a little bit surprising to me. It definitely decreased the bacteria for sure, going from that before to after, but actually did a little worse than the O-Cedar did. The second sample for the Shark Steam Mop. Well, here we have a bit of a difference here. We have a ton of bacteria in that before section, and in the after we have 0. No bacteria at all in that after section. So looking at that sample, I'd say that it does an excellent job at disinfecting my bathroom floor. So looking at the results for both the O-Cedar Spin Mop and the Shark Steam Mop, I think that they both perform very well at removing bacteria from a bathroom floor with using only water. One thing that I absolutely love about the O-Cedar Spin Mop is keeping the dirty water separate from the clean water when mopping. I think that is brilliant and I absolutely love that feature. Overall, I think the O-Cedar Spin Mop did a much better job, and I say this because it's not realistic to clean every single section of my home for 3 minutes using my Shark Steam Mop and then an additional 15 back and forths, as it says in the directions, in order to get sanitizing done on your floor. The O-Cedar, you just had to mop, 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 and it took care of the dirt and grime as well as the bacteria. I'd like to continue doing some more tests on both of these mops. I love both of them. I do love my steam mop, and that is almost exclusively what I have been cleaning my floors with for quite a while. But now getting this new O-Cedar Spin Mop, I'm definitely going to be alternating and testing and figuring out which one I do like better when it comes to cleaning the home. So do you have an O-Cedar Spin Mop or a Shark Steam Mop, or do you have both? If you have both, I'd love to hear which one you like better and which one you use where in your home. And if you have any suggestions for me for like different things you want me to test out in my home, please let me know. Put it in the comments section. I love to hear what you want to see. I really enjoyed making this video, and I'm really, really, really happy that I have this O-Cedar Spin Mop now. I've had my eye on it for a long time, and I'm really happy that I have it now, so I can really give it a good test in my home, as well as just use it. It's so simple to use. I love separating the dirty from the clean water. I think it's just brilliant. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit that thumbs up button for me and hit that subscribe button. Take care. Have yourselves a great day.